evening, everybody. Going to demonstrate how I prepare fresh caught bream for deep fat frying tonight. So stay tuned. Hope you like it. It's some of the best fish you can eat out there. All right, so I've already cleaned the fish, scaled them pretty much, and gutted them out. So all I'm gonna do now is just score it a little bit on either side, just to give it a little cook evenly across the middle. I got about 12 fish I'm gonna cook tonight for my family. See the little score marks, get the seasoning inside of there, and then we can go from there. It's gonna be great. Like I said, this is some of the best fish you can eat out there in the freshwater world. So if you ever get some in your possession, catch some, definitely hook them up. You won't regret it.
Alright, there you have it. Now prepare the batter. Use my batter.
Alright, next we're gonna get just some plain cornmeal. I use Quaker cornmeal. You can use generic, whatever you want. This is just what I had in the house for some cornbread I made the other day. I'm gonna season it up with some garlic salt, black pepper, onion powder, regular salt, and some, of course, some Lowry's gotta go in that sucker. That's gonna be good. You can be generous with the seasoning however you feel. Obviously not too much salt because it's gonna be already flavored meat regardless on its own. So you don't want to do too much with it. But also, just like I said, you just want to season it and then add what you need, make the flavor your favorite. Some folks just use salt and pepper. I try to get a little extra in there just to make sure I have it to my liking. But you can season it how you want, or whatever the case may be. I also have some leftover fish fry. I'm going to toss in this mix. It already comes pre-seasoned. This is the New Orleans style seafood breading. Pretty good coating for your fish or any other seafood items that you like. But let's see. So prepare that up right there. Alright, then you're going to mix up all your seasonings together. Make sure it's blended well so it can get evenly distributed across the entire pan. We're going to go from there. Since you are doing whole fish, it takes up a little bit more breading on there versus filleted or something. It takes a lot less breading. But yeah, we can always use it for later also. We don't normally usually throw it away. When we're done, we kind of save it for another fish fry or something. Not using any utensils, so for you people who like using measurements, that's your business. I don't really use them a lot when it comes to frying fish. Alright, that should do it. Put it in there. Blend it all over. Get it on the inside of the fish also. You should get down inside the crevices of your incisions here.
I want food with milk, please, mommy. Mommy, can I have more milk? Can I have more milk?
Now repeat that process until you're done with all your fish.
That's 2 fish, guys.
All right, now that all the fish is breaded, I'm gonna get the grease prepared. So yeah, stay tuned. All right, time to light the propane tank that I got from Academy Sports on Black Friday. $35, something like that. We got fire, guys. Fish fry time. Want to get the grease up to about 325 to 350 degrees so it can cook like we want it to. The system came with the thermometer, so I'll be able to monitor my temperatures and whatnot. And then once it reaches the correct temperature, I'll drop in the fish. Alright, the grease is at about 350 something. Just gonna do a quick little test with the, this is what I do. I don't know what everybody else do. Let's put a little cornmeal inside of it to see if it's gonna fry up a little bit. So far, it looks ready to fry. So we're ready to do that then. Alright, it's been about 15 minutes or so at 350 degrees. Look at the finished product. Let's get a better picture for you here. Nice golden brown fish. Cooked all the way through. Ready to fry it up. Tails on is the best part. Or one of the best parts on there. Go and get the next batch ready for frying.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Alright, it's all done. Listen to that sizzle. Alright, time for the big reveal. Finished up the fish, and I usually have mine with a little hot sauce and a little mustard. People eat it regular or just put tartar sauce. I didn't grow up like that, so hot sauce and ketchup for me. But not gonna do that right now. Just gonna dig right in and try to get a piece of it and see what we tasting like here. Oh, look at that delicious meat. Mmm, delicious. Gotta give this recipe a try, guys. Won't regret it.
Mom, what is this for?
Stay tuned for the next video. Have a good night.
Mom.
With some salad too, guys.